Hello guys, in speaking, especially in informal English, we usually use the short form of verb to be. Instead of saying I am, we say I am. You are, you're. He is, he's. She is, she's. It is, it's. We are, we're. They are, they're. And also with names, instead of saying Fred is here, in speaking we say Fred's here. We don't say Brian is here. We say Brian's here. But nouns that end in S, CH, Z, X, SH, don't use short forms of be with them. James is here, Stace James is here. Rich is here. Baz is here. Max is here. Trish is here. Okay, here we have some more. Brian is at work. In speaking we say Brian's at work. Hello, I am Fred. In speaking we say hello, I'm Fred. Sue is over there. Sue's over there. Terry is at door. Terry's at the door. They are in the kitchen. They're in the kitchen. Chris is at his desk. The noun ends in S, so no short form here, stays as it is. Chris is at work. This CD is broken. What's the short form of CD is, guys? Write your answer in the comments. I don't work blank Christmas Day. At, in, on. We use at with clock time. We say at for clock. We use in with years and months. We use on with days. Christmas Day is a day, and with days we use on. I don't work on Christmas Day. Have you got a car? Yes, I. Yes, I have. Yes, I have got. Yes, I do. Listen, guys, when we answer with yes or no, we use here the same helping verb the question started with. Have here, so have here. Yes, I have. Not have got, not yes, I do. She blank sent me a message. She's apostrophe s or she apostrophe ve. Well, apostrophe s stands for has. Apostrophe ve stands for have. Here we have she, and she takes has. So she's apostrophe s. Give yourself a mark on each one and write your mark in the comments. Thank you for watching.